Okay, so welcome back. So now we're going to do a couple of examples. Well, one example, but two different numbers. And so first, we read the problem carefully, decide what type of variation is going on. Okay, so it says, a landscaper needs a 5-person crew to complete a commercial project in 30 hours. Okay, so the relationship is number of people, right, in the crew, and how long it takes to complete the job. So again, this is obviously an inverse variation type problem, because as you increase the number of workers for a project, the amount of time that it would take to complete that project will go down. So that's inverse variation. So now that we know that, now we know how to approach this problem and solve it. So part A says, how long is it going to take to complete the same job if I only have 3 workers on my crew? Okay, well, let's set this up. Well, first, we need to find the constant of inverse proportionality, okay? So let's find K. So K is equal to what? Well, X times Y. So what's my X and what's my Y? Well, the amount of time that it takes to complete the job depends on the number of workers. So the number of workers is my independent variable X. The number of hours it takes to complete the project is Y. So this is going to be, K is going to be 5, because they give me the information that a 5-person crew will finish in 30 hours. So this is my X, this is my Y, so X times Y equals 150 right? 150. So that's K. Okay, now, by the way, for the units, this is person hours, okay? Again, just to have the units. Now, okay, now that I have a K, okay, how long is it going to take to finish the job if I only have 3 workers in my crew? So now I'm going to use my formula this way. So instead of using K equals X times Y, now I'm going to use Y equals K over X. Okay, and so now K is 150, and again, this is person hours. Okay, over X. Well, X is 3 workers, right? 3 people. Or in this case, if we want to be consistent, let's put this worker hours. Yeah, let's make this. Okay. And so now, workers cancels with workers. And what do we get? We get hours, so guess what? So it's going to take 50 hours. Okay? So it'll take 50 hours to finish the job if I only have 3 workers on a crew. Okay, now what about if I have 8 workers? Well, I'm going to use the same K value. Okay? I don't have to recalculate the K value. So it's the same situation. So I'm going to use K. So now in this case, it's going to be Y equals, again, K over X. And it's going to be 150 worker hours over now 8 workers. And again, workers cancel. So I'm left with hours. So the dimensional analysis works. And so now 150 divided by 8 should give me less than 30 hours, right? So I know my answer has to be less than 30. Nope, hold on. And I get 18.75. And that makes sense. Okay, that's it. Have a great day. Take care.